Welcome to Quiz Saya. Get ready for an exciting challenge packed with fun and mind-blowing questions. Today's topic:
chemistry, specifically
acids, bases, and pH. Are you ready?
Question 1. Which of the following is not a property of acids? A. Taste sour. B. Turn blue litmus red. C. Donate protons in a reaction. D. Feels slippery. Correct answer, D. Feels slippery. Question 2. Which of the following correctly represents the Bronsted-Lowry definition of a base? A. A substance that donates protons. B. A substance that accepts protons. C. A substance that donates hydroxide ions. D. A substance that increases H+ concentration in solutio. Correct answer, B. A substance that accepts protons. Question 3. Which acid is used in car batteries? A. Hydrochloric acid. B. Nitric acid. C. Sulfuric acid. D. Phosphoric acid. Correct answer, C. Sulfuric acid. Question 4. What is the pH of a solution with H+ equals 1.0 times 10 to the power of -4 m? A. 4. B. 10. C. 7. D. 6. Correct answer, A. 4. Question 5. If the pH of a solution changes from 5 to 3, how does the hydrogen ion concentration change? A. Increases by a factor of 2. B. Increases by a factor of 100. C. Decreases by a factor of 10. D. Decreases by a factor of 100. Correct answer, B. Increases by a factor of 100. Question 6. Which of the following solutions is the most acidic? A. pH equals 2. B. pH equals 5. C. pH equals 7. D. pH equals 10. Correct answer, A. pH equals 2. Question 7. A solution of sodium hydroxide has a pH of 12. What is the hydroxide ion concentration? A. 1.0 times 10 to the power of -2 m. B. 1.0 times 10 to the power of -10 m. C. 1.0 times 10 to the power of -12 m. D. 1.0 times 10 to the power of -4 m. Correct answer, A. 1.0 times 10 to the power of -2 m. Question 8. What is the conjugate base of sulfuric acid? A. Hydrogen sulfate ion. B. Sulfate ion. C. Hydronium ion. D. Hydroxide ion. Correct answer, A. Hydrogen sulfate ion. Question 9. A solution has a hydroxide ion concentration equals 1.0 times 10 to the power of -3 m. What is its pH? A. 3. B. 11. C. 9. D. 5. Correct answer, C. 9. Question 10. Which of the following is an amphoteric substance? A. Sodium hydroxide. B. Water. C. Hydrochloric acid. D. Ammonia. Correct answer, B. Water.
Great job. You've made it halfway. Keep going, you're doing amazing. Can you ace the rest? Let's find out. If you're enjoying this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button to show your support.
Question 11. A buffer solution must contain A. A weak acid and its conjugate base. B. A strong acid and a strong base. C. A neutral salt. D. A strong acid only. Correct answer. A. A weak acid and its conjugate base. Question 12. Which of the following is the strongest acid? A. Hydrogen fluoride. B. Hydrogen chloride. C. Hydrogen bromide. D. Hydrogen iodide. Correct answer. D. Hydrogen iodide. Question 13. The Ka value of an acid represents A. The strength of an acid. B. The concentration of the acid. C. The ability to accept electrons. D. The color change in an indicator. Correct answer. A. The strength of an acid. Question 14. What is the pH of a 0.1 m solution of hydrochloric acid? A. 1. B. 7. C. 10. D. 3. Correct answer. 1. Question 15. The acid dissociation constant for acetic acid is 1.8 times 10 to the power of -5. What does this indicate? A. Acetic acid is a weak acid. B. Acetic acid is a strong acid. C. Acetic acid completely ionizes in solution. D. Acetic acid has a high pH. Correct answer. A. Acetic acid is a weak acid. Question 16. The pK of acetic acid is 4.76. What is the ratio of acetate ion to acetic acid in a buffer with a pH of 5.76? A. 10 is to 1. B. 1 is to 1. C. 1 is to 10. D. 100 is to 1. Correct answer. A. 10 is to 1. Question 17. What is the pH of a 0.0 to 5 m solution of sodium hydroxide? A. 12.4. B. 11.6. C. 13.2. D. 10.0. Correct answer. A. 12.4. Question 18. Which of the following acids has the lowest pKa? A. Hydrochloric acid. B. Acetic acid. C. Carbonic acid. D. Phosphoric acid. Correct answer. A. Hydrochloric acid. Question 19. What happens to a buffer solution when a strong base is added? A. The pH decreases significantly. B. The weak acid neutralizes the base. C. The buffer is destroyed immediately. D. The pH increases drastically. Correct answer. B. The weak acid neutralizes the base. Question 20. Which of the following salts forms a basic solution when dissolved in water? A. Sodium chloride. B. Ammonium chloride. C. Sodium carbonate. D. Potassium nitrate. Correct answer. C. Sodium carbonate.
And that's a wrap. We've completed all 20 questions of our quiz about acids, bases, and pH. If you enjoyed this quiz, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to support my channel.